Friday, December 27th. Southern California got a record amount of snow within 24 hours. Originally we were planning on climbing Baldy, but with the avalanche danger way too high, and with how much snow Southern California actually just got, we decided the deserts in the East County would be really awesome to check out. I arrived shortly after dark in Anza Borrego. My partner was opting to meet me at the trailhead in the morning, but I wanted a more relaxing night, get a campfire in, make some food, enjoy the stars, and avoid the 2 a.m. wake up required to get to the trailhead before the sunrise. This morning, Greg?
420.
Oh, there you go. Some tracks, which most likely have turned out to be a bobcat, because we found what it hunted down right over here. So there's some other things out here. Getting to the base of the climb requires skirting the park's boundaries and avoiding some intense locals' property lines. However, due to terrain, we still found ourselves crossing a couple of barbed wire fences. But regardless, we still reached the base of the climb at 9 a.m. Just a little bit more scrambling, and the lack of beta became a serious issue. We began to hit multiple head walls and had to keep climbing up and down as we searched for the summit.
Down climbing is always so much harder.
Yeah, sure is.
Shit. There we go.
You got it? There's a foothold right to you. Yeah, your right foot's almost at it.
And that's the thing, is like, you have good handholds
Up to a point.
Holds.
And then you kind of got this little like 2.5 foot drop. You good?
Yeah.
Nice. There you go.
See, that's down climbable.
Yeah, just above that is.
It's like, as soon as you get there in that crack, it's this big palm, which I know lowering yourself off over is not gonna be.
Yeah, it won't be too good.
Trying to traverse around looking for a good route up. Snow's starting to melt, so rock is getting really slippery, and since there's not much beta on this route, I'm trying to make sure whatever we go up we could definitely come back down. We're pushing pretty close to the turnaround time. I'd like to get back to the cars for sure before dark, so we'll see what happens. We're getting pretty close, but we're also getting pretty close to turn around, so